My name is Rizky Rahmadaniati. I'm from Besi Cengkareng. Today I will tell you about one of the Indonesia cuisine drinks from Purworejo, Black Dawet Ice. Purworejo Signature's Black Dawet Ice is a prime example of how traditional Indonesia cuisine can transform simple, natural ingredients into a truly extraordinary dessert. Amidst the onslaught of modern drinks relying on synthetic ingredients, Black Dawet remains a true Indonesian culinary favorite. The first thing that catches the eye about this drink is, of course, the deep black color of the cendol. Rather than using artificial coloring, which is not necessarily healthy, traditional Dawet makes have cleverly harnesses nature since ancient times. The black color is obtained naturally from the ash of burnt rice stalk or dried banana leaves, commonly called claras. This ash is then filtered and mixed into the four mixtures. This action technique not only produces a visual appealing deep black color but also imparts a subtle, distinctive roasted aroma that modern food coloring cannot replicate. And then, on the one hand, there's a thick, savory, and slightly salty coconut milk, and on the other, liquid palm sugar creates a natural sweetness. These two liquids then combine to coat the black chendol. And for enjoying Black Dawet is not just about the taste, it's also about celebrating tradition. In its place of origin, such as along Butuh Street in Purworejo, this drink is often still served traditionally in small clay bowls. Sitting at a simple roadside stall holding a clay bowl chilled with ice creates a strong sense of nostalgia. And it's form of preserving Javanese culture heritage that remains alive and can be experienced firsthand in this modern era. Ultimately, Black Dawet is a timeless masterpiece of Indonesian street food. Hello, in project 2 I chose indirect question. We're gonna talk about rules, types, and example of completely sentence. Okay, let's begin. What is an indirect question? Indirect question is used in formal situation and is more polite than a direct question. You can use this indirect question when you want to talk to someone you don't know in a professional thing. Furthermore, this type of question has a slightly different format. Next, indirect questions are characterized by adding the verb is after the subject, the blank, just as you would when making a normal positive sentence like the bank is over there. This is different from direct question, which place the verb is before the subject the bank. This question sentence begins with a phrase like could you tell me or do you know? Example, could you tell me where the police station is? When to use indirect question? First, when asking people on the street. Second, when talking to the strangers. Third, asking elders is more polite. And the last being in a formal space. Okay, next is types of indirect question. Number one is yes or no question. Yes or no question can be used in this type of question sentence. To do this, add if and a positive sentence. These are the phrases used in this of question like could you tell me, do you know, I was wondering, I would like to know. Do you have any idea what should be possible, or is there any chance? And number two, yes or no question with tense using do, does, did. When we want to make an indirect question with a yes or no question using the following tense, that means we have to use if, and we no longer need do, does, or did. Example: can you tell me if John lives in Australia? Or can you tell me if Brittany called John last night? Number three, we have question in indirect question. You can also create indirect question by using we have question and then adding the positive sentence. You don't need to use inversion and you don't need to change the verb tense. Simple at if and then add the positive sentence as usual. Verb tense, present simple plus be. The example of sentence, can you tell me what you said? Like this. And then present continue, can you tell me when the card is opening? Like that. And the next, number four, is you have question for 10 cents with do, does, and did. In indirect sentence, do, does, and did are also non-needed, as in the following. Example, can you tell me where John lives? Or can you tell me why John called Joe last night? Okay. And then next, example conversation using indirect question. Donnie, excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest gas station is? And then Bagas, sure, you just keep going down the left lane of the road. And thank you. And do you know if there is a traditional market near here? Yes, there is one, not far from the gas station. Thank you so much for your help. Okay, and then that's it. Thank you. Nice to meet you.